Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I installed these crochet micro twists, which I'm super obsessed. So keep watching if you want to see how I achieve this look. This is the braiding pattern that I did. I did it in a way that can allow me to put my hair up in a bun or just wear my hair down. So if you're on the same thing, just make sure that you have cornrows that go up just like that at the back. This is the hair that I'm going to be using today. It's from Fulcrum Hair. So I've had this hair for about a week now and I'm so obsessed. The hair is so versatile and it doesn't tangle at all. So if you're looking for something that can last you a month or even more than a month, this is definitely it. So I'll put all the details of this hair in my description box, so make sure to check that out. So I'll start installing the hair and I'll start with the back of my head, and each time I'll be using 2 pieces of the hair just to go a little bit quicker and save time. And also the process is still the same as how you would install any crochet hair. So just slide the crochet hook through, then I'll place the crochet hair on the crochet hook. I'll close the latch and pull the hair through, then I'll just secure the hair by tying it. So again, I'll just slide the crochet hook through my hair, then I'll place the hair on the crochet hook, slide the hair through, then I'll just pull the hair through the loop to secure it, and that's pretty much how I did it. And when I'm installing the hair, I try to keep track of the amount of hair that I'm using so that it can be enough for the rest of my cornrows. So since I have 8 packs, I'm trying to use 4 for the back of my head, then the remaining 4 for the front of my head. And I ended up using all of the 8 packs, and the whole process took me just under 3 hours to finish installing the hair, since the hair is on the smaller side. I'm done with the back and that's how it looks so far. So I just used like 3.5 packs of the hair and I have some hair remaining. I'll just use it later on to fill any remaining gaps. So I'll just continue the same process again for the front of my head. So I'll just take the crochet hook and slide it through my hair, then I'll place the crochet hair on the crochet hook, close the latch, then pull the hair through, then I'll just pull the hair through the loop to secure it. And what I love about this hair is that it won't cause any tension on your scalp, since the hair is very thin, so you don't have to worry about pulling your edges, and also the hair is very lightweight. So I want options when I want to part my hair. I want a side part and a middle part. So when you're installing the hair, just make sure that you place your hair close together so that you can look natural in those areas when you want to part your hair. And it's really easy to maintain this hair. It doesn't really need much, and I actually didn't apply anything on the hair and it still looked the same even after a week. So I'll just continue with the same process until I finish up with the rest of the space that is not yet done. I'm done with the rest of my hair and that's how the hair looks. So right now I'm just pulling the hair to loosen up the curls so that I can trim and shape the hair, and that's pretty much how I installed these micro twists. And as I mentioned before, the whole process took me just under 3 hours together with the cornrows, and I used all the hair that I received, which is 8 packs. So right now I'm just checking the back to see if I have to add more hair. So if you have any space remaining or if your cornrows are showing, just use any hair that is remaining to cover those parts. And that's pretty much it. So this is the final look. The hair is all done. So let me know what you guys think. Would you try this hairstyle? Because I really love how this turned out. And I want to show you guys how the back looks again. So you can see how the hair is full, but still it's very easy to gather the hair together in style just like that. And I really love that I have options to style the hair in different ways. So that's how the hair looks when it's up in a bun. And also I can wear my hair down or have a side part, middle part, because of the way that I did my cornrows. So you can see how versatile this hair is. When you wear it down, it looks very full, but when you want to style it, it's very easy, and it's also easy to install too. Again, the hair is from Fulcrum Hair. I'll put all the details of this hair in my description box, so make sure to check that out. I absolutely love this hairstyle. It was easy to install, easy to style, and if you're looking for something that can last you for a month or even more than a month, then this hairstyle is for you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Let me know your thoughts about this hairstyle in the comment section, and let me know if you would try this hairstyle. And if you have reached this far, thank you so much. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll see you all on my next one.